A dividend is money that is paid to investors as approved or determined by the board of directors of a company. So these dividends are payments which are made by the publicly listed companies rewarding its investors or the people that invest or buy shares in that specific company. But something to note, guys, is that not all companies pay these dividends. So for you to find out as to which company pays the dividends, you need to go to either their website or just go on Google and try to find out if the company that you wish to invest in or the companies that you're investing in are paying this dividend. So to those of you who've been following me for some time, you will notice that I don't talk, or I've not spoken much of dividends on this channel, as most of my videos I'm covering companies with very high growth potential in the near future, and majority of those, they do not pay out, or they don't have this option of paying out dividends to its investors. But that does not mean that I do not have companies or stocks in my portfolio that pays out dividends. I do have 2 or 3 stocks that are paying me dividends in my portfolio. If I do also receive dividends from some of the ETFs that I invest in. Otherwise, with all that, guys, on today's video I'll be talking of a stock that grabbed my attention because of the massive dividend payout that is set to pay very soon. So immediately when someone told me about this stock that I'll be covering with you that will be paying a massive dividend payout, I got so interested, because, like, guys, who would not be interested when they heard that there's a certain stock that will be paying a dividend that is approximately 90% of the current stock trading price? I think everyone would be very interested in making sure that they invest in such a stock, which is what encouraged me to go and start investing in the stock. Otherwise, before I give you the name of the stock, please note that I am not a professional financial advisor. Everything that I'll be touching base here on this video today are just my opinions, and if you seek professional financial advice, you already know what to do. You need to go and consult the professionals. Otherwise, the company that I want to talk to you about on today's video is the company none other than ArcelorMittal. Otherwise, to the benefit of those who don't know what these guys do or what this company does, this company produces steel, and they've got a wide range of steel segment in their profile, and I definitely think that you should all go and check out this company, because I won't cover all those segments in this video, but just go and have a look in their website and check this steel segment. You will definitely see that this is a very big and massive company. So guys, before we go to the news about the dividend payout, I think it's very important that I highlight to you that this is a company that's recovering quite well from their major loss that they reported back in 2019. Because as seen on the screen, you will notice that they reported a total comprehensive loss income of around 1.4 billion US dollars in the year of 2020, which was better when comparing it to the total comprehensive loss income they had reported in 2019 of 3 billion US dollars. So this is a company that sort of like improved when checking from where they were in 2019, which is something that, once again, guys, except for the dividends, it's something that it kind of like put an interest to me to have a serious look on this company and see if I can invest more money, not because of the dividend, but because of the company's financials. Now, still in the 2020 financials, this company indicated that they had a total assets of about 80 billion US dollars, with the total liabilities that were around 41.8 billion US dollars. So by these two figures, we can see that this company has got a current ratio of 1.96, which is not that bad, because this just simply means that this company almost has 2 times its assets than its liabilities, which is something that is very good, because you'll remember that this is used when the company is in a crisis where they end up selling their assets to settle their debts. You can see that from this they can settle all their debts and still be left with some good assets, which is something that encourages or attracts investors into coming to invest in a certain stock. Now, from their latest Q1 of 2020 earnings results, this company indicated that they made a total operating income of about 2.6 billion US dollars, which is better when comparing it to the earnings results they reported in Q4 of about 2 billion US dollars. So this just simply means that, as I've said, the company or the situation that this company find themselves in 2019, it's starting, or it is showing an improvement, as this company is continuing to report better earnings results or better financial results than the results that they reported in the previous quarter, which is something that sort of like give a good sign to investors to say that this company is on a good track or on the good road to recovery. Otherwise, coming back to the main topic of today about this company, which is their massive dividend payout that they announced. This company, guys, announced that on the 15th of June, they will be paying a dividend payout of around 0.3 US dollars, which when bringing it to our very own South African currency, this is like 4 rand and 20 cents. So this is quite massive, especially looking at the share price that this company or this stock is currently trading at, because for those of you who have checked this company, you will notice that this company currently trades or was trading around 4 rand and 71 cents on Monday when the market closed. So imagine you buy a stock or a share in this company by approximately 4 rands and 71 cents, and on the 15th of June you are getting a dividend payout of 4 rands and 20 cents. This is so massive, and this is one of the rare cases that I can definitely tell you that you will find in the stock market, because it's not many companies that they will pay this good dividend. In fact, I've not seen it in my entire life, a company paying a dividend that is approximately 90% of its current trading price. So this is what attracted me initially, and this is one of the main things that I must say, besides the financial, this is something that really attracted me to come and start to invest in this company, because, guys, of this massive dividend payout. I mean, who would not want to be paid 90% for just someone saying that we thank you for owning our share, or we thank you for buying a stock or a share in our company? So this is massive, because, like as I've said, the dividend is like free money, because basically they are just thanking you for owning their share, or they are just thanking you for buying their share or their stock, which is why I definitely think that it's a very good opportunity for you to see if you can add these stocks in your portfolio, because I can definitely say that this is a very good opportunity. Guys, though this company indicated that this massive dividend payout will be confirmed from their next general meeting of shareholders, they indicated, this company, let me indicate to you that in 2019, the last dividend they paid, it was around 0.2 US dollars, which when bringing it to the current US dollar to ZAR exchange rate, it's about 2 rands and 80 cents, which I definitely believe that even if they were to say that they are giving you 2 rands and 80 cents per share, it was still a massive dividend payout, because you remember that companies, they pay like, or they have like a 6%, 4% and 3% dividend yield. So this, guys, just simply means that this company has got a very massive dividend yield, or a higher dividend yield, which means that they are paying way more dividends than what we would see in other normal companies. So this is an opportunity that I definitely think that you should grab with both hands and go and try and see if you can't add this stock into your portfolio. I mean, the 15th of June is just around the corner. Otherwise, guys, the last day that you can be able to buy this share and qualify for this massive dividends is the 9th of June. I think the 9th of June should be the last day that you ought to, or you can buy this share to qualify for this massive dividend. Otherwise, me personally, guys, I would advise you to start buying this stock or this company as soon as possible. As I'm telling you, guys, I'm anticipating this massive dividend payout, and even though they don't give us the 0.3 US dollar dividend payout and they give us 0.2, I definitely think that it's still fine, because that still will be more than 50% of the current trading share price of this company, which I definitely think that it will still be massive. But otherwise, guys, if they give us this dividend payment of 0.3 US dollars, which is approximately 4 rands and 20 cents, I definitely think that, guys, it will be a very good thing. Otherwise guys, with all that, I make tons and tons of stock market investing videos, and if you think that this video was beneficial, please don't forget to hit that like button. If you are new, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that YouTube can notify you every time I release a video. Otherwise guys, I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and God bless you all.